Hello friends, today I'm here to talk to you about this new espresso machine that I just got. It is a really nice machine, very high quality, durable made machine. It's the perfect size. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room on your counter. This particular model can do a single shot of espresso or a double shot. And it comes with everything you need to start brewing your own espresso or making your own cappuccinos. Easy on-off button right here turns the unit on. You can select a single or a double, and then you also have the steamer over here where you can use the control and froth and steam your milk. So the control is over here. Depending on how much steam or froth you want in there, you can turn that dial. The cup is really nice. It does come with an internal measuring device so that you can see how much, whether you're doing ounces or milliliters, how much milk to put in there. You have your portafiller. This particular one comes with two filters. One is small, one is for a single shot, one is for a double. So basically what you would do is you take your scoop of espresso, put in the right amount for whether you're making a single or a double shot, tamp it down, make sure that it's even, putting it back in here. I would probably do that all while I'm holding it. And then this machine, the handle goes in on the lock side and you slide it over to lock. And then if you're making a double, you'll put two shot glasses here and hit the double. If you're making a single, you'll put the shot glass here and hit the single button. The barometer will start to work. The water tank is very easily to remove. It's got a nice size water tank. You want to just make sure that you remove this red, there's a red silicone cap on the end. So you want to make sure you remove that before you use it. Nice size tank, so you won't have to fill it. It does have an indicator line to tell you when you would fill it. Just lines up nicely and sits there. This does get warm up here, so this is a cup plate. So where you could put your cup up here to keep it warm so that it doesn't chill your espresso when you make it. And then to remove, you're just going to twist and pull down. And this will be your used espresso grounds. You would just dump that into the trash or whatever receptacle you use and then wash this. And then this is ready for the next time. The measuring cups do tell you how many grams each of these holds and how much coffee you should put in to make your espresso. I like this multi-use tool for a scoop and a tamper, then you're not having to have multiple tools at your coffee bar. Overall, I think that this is going to be a great addition to my coffee bar. I currently have just a coffee maker, and this is going to make a traditional espresso or cappuccino that you would get at a fancy coffee shop and for a fraction of the cost. I think anyone who purchases would be pleased with the quality and craftsmanship of the product. Thank you.